So she's interviewing Jeremy and she's interviewing Aaron, and they're going to talk about what went on during the Alicia Andrews trial, some of the issues that they ran into, and how they felt about the entire process. We know we read their motion that they filed against the judge, the petty motion, basically saying, hey, the judge shouldn't have been on this case. The judge was biased. The judge was mean to us. And I think they're just doing the best for their client. So it can't be mad at them. Let's see what Jeremy has to say here.
What were your anticipated challenges? Just knowing the charges that she had when you first got on or wrote into it and you were like, okay, I'm getting ready to go in here. What was the biggest concern that you had?
Me or Arian?
Either one is fine.
You want to? I'll take it first.
Go ahead.
My instinct led me to believe, and it was right, that just the cultural differences, right? The finding a jury that could understand culturally what was happening and not brush it off as just simply gang violence. There's more nuances to what was going on. So I thought one of the biggest issues was going to be people in the courtroom that matter, the judge, the jury, the prosecution, not so much, because, you know, it doesn't matter what it actually means. It's more about how they present it. But getting a jury and having a judge that would be willing to understand the nuances of the culture.
So let's talk about the jury. Are you able to share what the jury makeup was?
What do you guys think about that statement? Obviously, that would be a typical concern of an attorney, but talking about the cultural aspects of something like this seems somewhat irrelevant in my case, other than just looking at someone's skin color and making a decision based on that. Because I don't know about y'all when it comes to culture, but I don't even want to go down this route, but as a black man, what happened here is not a part of my culture. So what culture is she talking about? Because every piece of evidence and everything that was shown in this case, when it comes to culture, maybe if you want to talk about rap culture, if you want to talk about gang culture, hopefully I pray that she's not talking about black culture in general. What do you want on the jury? I mean, do you want a bunch of rappers? Do you want a bunch of black people that maybe have somebody who they know that's in gang culture? Do you want someone who's white and maybe has someone who had a relative that was locked up because they were involved in gangs? I'm not going to nitpick, but I want to know what y'all think about that statement, because I think it's very interesting and telling about how this case was run by the defense.
Culture.